Want a tool that turns your phone into a vision scope? This is the Anykit USB Endoscope, a powerful, portable inspection camera that works right on your iPhone or Android. It's built with a semi-rigid cable, a waterproof IP67 rated camera, and 8 adjustable LED lights, so you can see clearly, even in total darkness. Snakes through drains, behind walls, inside engines, or under appliances. Wherever your eyes can't reach, this tool can. Just plug it into your phone, open the app, and you're ready. No batteries, no screen, no hassle. Perfect for plumbers, mechanics, electricians, or DIY homeowners. Whether you're fixing a clogged pipe or checking behind drywall, the Anykit Cam gives you clarity where it counts. Click the Amazon link in the description and grab your USB endoscope today. Anykit USB inspection camera. Explore the unseen. Fix the unknown.